It's PandaCraftMan and welcome to another video. Today we are doing trying not to laugh or grin super hard. And I know you see the face cam and there's nothing there. Well, I'm trying to surprise you because this is the first time you will ever see. Well, this is the first time you will see me showing my face off. And in Roblox Survive the Disasters, I didn't want to show my identity. Remember if you watched that one? Wait. Ah! No. Oh no. But here's my face. This already went to a big fail. That's very sad, but start the video off right now. Wait. Wrong button. Okay. Put that right there.
Pretty much everywhere. It's gonna be hot. Is that it?
Man, I don't need a jacket. Thanks, Arthur.
I don't get it. It sounded like I had a fake laugh. I wasn't. I was holding it. It didn't come out as a loud one.
I pooped my pants.
Oh my gosh. Hey, bad rat. I like. What the heck is wrong with that parrot? Is he crazy? Stop talking! Why are you talking about hair dryer? Yeah, you can't do nothing. You're crazy. Don't eat the whole spoon. That ain't healthy.
She's a wolf in mouse clothing. The mouse's ghostly howl stakes claim to heaven.
What did they put on Google? Color red. Oh, it's because it got the color blue in it. I get it. You can tell that's on the game. Because the way the moose look. That's one ugly moose. No one likes it. I think it's because his luck.
Denim, haircut, backpacks, come get your backpack.
Boots and pants and boots and pants.
New shoes, get yourself an outfit. Denim,
Boots and pants and
They're
boots
running
and
out of
pants.
things.
haircut, new shoes. So get yourself up to school with these tails. Haircut.
Is that some kind of commercial?
Hey buddy, we're at PetSmart. We're at PetSmart.
I think you're scared.
You wanna go to PetSmart, Captain?
Over here somewhere in like New York, next to
Okay.
Ocean, Charlie. That's only.
I only laughed 2 times. You made it. You can make it. That is not funny.
require enough
I'm surprised he was still
detail to make them think
laughing.
that it's reality.
Little kids are.
Have you ever had a dream that you want him to do you so much you could do anything?
That was weird. I think they just took it out of the movie and. Oh, she's evil. Look, they're not funny. They run for their lives. I'm gonna. Wait, I messed up the face cam. Ah! Ah! I'm being adopted by alien! I'm under my covers. Oh my god! What is that on the floor? Is that a magic show?
Magic show.
What's happening to your face cam? Ah!
Watch it! Oh my! You need to put your hands like that, so you can do.
Yo, why is it that Cat Zingano is so hard to shake here? Half of Cat's torso is actually fused to the mat. She's also been able to distort her body in some positions that can only describe as supernatural. Very grudge-like, Joe. Now, Joe, what technique is Judo Santos utilizing here?
This is a game.
Mike, he's pretending to be a turtle that can't flip over. He's trying to confuse Frank Beard. Frank looks very confused. Look for him to go
What
for
the
his
heck?
down using only his feet, and he got it. This is interesting. Jones just pulled a mummy card. Now he's trying to lure Alex in by casting a spell. He's showing
Casting a
incredible
spell?
flexibility in his bones, Joe. Yeah, this kid is
What
such
does that
a gifted
mean?
athlete. Joe, what are the benefits of completely freezing your body during a fight with yourself? Well, one of the advantages is that your opponent is completely
Man, they are really bad at
unsure if you're a
fighting.
real person anymore.
I don't know how they're doing that.
The cage. And it is great for takedowns. As you can see, Cormier has landed 2 now. And the Iceman is back on his feet. This crowd is going crazy, Joe. Ow! Referee Eve Levine with a psychic knockout.
A psychic knockout?
Gustafson responds with
Oh, that had her.
strength like and a total disregard for the laws of physics.
This is kind of weird.
Aldo with the big 1080 spin takedown. He's been landing those effectively all night, Joe. Gustafson is so elusive, Joe.
These people are weird. Right, guys?
He didn't want to admit it.
It's been 8
Gets
minutes.
sits in the first fight.
Mm,
And here he is again.
only a couple more
Gets
minutes
flipped all over, Mike.
until this video's done. Guys, I don't know how they keep going on the floor. It's really confusing. What's even happening to her? Guys, what's happening? What's wrong with her hands? They're going backwards.
Carmouche is going to tire herself out, Mike. Rhonda needs to be careful not to hit her in the back of the head. Right into a butt back mount. Big kick by Jones.
What the?
Alex goes for a
These
leg.
make no
Both of them
sense.
have been haunting the arena.
What does this mean?
Gustafson shoots. And
Does this
now
make
he's
a
showing
little
off
hint
his sweet dance
for
moves. I
when
don't agree with that
you-
stand up at all. At all.
So when you like,
Eve Levine with a big win again, Joe.
That's the
It is time for
Wait,
this
that over look
incredible
like there's
woman
like two
to step
eyes
into
on
the
his
role
bottom.
that she is
That's
meant to
hilarious.
have. And
We, all of us, are gonna help her get there.
here she is. And guys, I've been talking
So some total jerkwad just said that
Finally,
my
that
laugh
game
was
is
gross.
over.
So
I
I
was
turned
gonna put
around
some
and I
light
said,
in life.
yeah, well, your face is gross.
That's just a stupid
SpongeBob.
boulder.
It's not just a boulder. It's a rock.
You know, they say all men
What
are
the-
created equal.
No, it's a
But you look
man.
at me and you look at Small
SpongeBob.
Joe, and you can see that
He was-
statement is not true.
Squidward was
See, no, If
right.
you go one-on-one with another wrestler, you got a 50-50
No.
chance of winning.
No, not another
But I'm a
one.
genetic freak,
Oh,
and I'm
come
not
on.
normal. So
Please
you
tell me
got
this is just
25%
saying.
at best at beating me. And then you add Kurt Angle to the mix.
This isn't really
Chance of
super
winning
hard,
drastically go down.
super easy
In
to
the
laugh
three-way,
in.
at sacrifice, you got a 33 and a third chance of winning. But I got a 66 and 2/3 chance of winning because Kurt Angle knows he can't beat me and he's not even gonna try. So Samoa Joe, you take your 33 and a third chance minus my 25%
What
chance,
is this?
and you got an 8 and a third chance of winning at
He just went to
sacrifice.
real life to
But
fake.
then you take my 75% chance of winning. If we used to go one-on-one and then add 66 and 2/3%, I got 141 and 2/3 chance of winning at sacrifice. See, Joe, the numbers don't lie, and they spell disaster for you at sacrifice.
This is my new photo by Sherry, and I'm going to show you how it works. First, you put it on here. Then press the lock it button. Press that. It'll fire up the
And then it goes in the fire. Yeah, I get it. Yeah, I get it. That's how you play with it. Oh, my eyes are burning. Ow! Guys, close your eyes. Ew. It's over. Especially you're scared of a penguin.
Firmly grasp it in your hand. Firmly grasp it. Firmly grasp it.
That is loud. Is this an earthquake or something?
You never had a chance to defeat me, fool. And you know why?
Because you cheated?
No.
Hi, my
Ugh.
name is Carla Shaw. You can stop at 5 or 6 stores or just one. I don't need friends, they disappoint me.
Hi, I'm Todd LaRue.
What is
You
that?
can stop at
I
5 or
don't
6
even know what
stores.
that meant.
Or just one. I feel like a deer in the headlights of love.
Honey, you've got a big storm coming.
These make no sense.
You could stop at 5 or 6 stores or just one. You could stop at 5 or 6 stores or just one. Can I ask you kind of a weird question?
What the heck is
You
wrong
could
with
stop at
them?
5 or 6 stores or just one.
Okay, guys, that's the end of the video. I hope you enjoy. Please leave a like. And yeah, that one's next. So yeah, if you enjoyed the video, leave a like. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do it right now. And see you in the next video. Bye, guys.